Unlock the power of buy now, pay later for your online store and watch your sales climb. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to seamlessly integrate Klarna as a trusted payment gateway into your WooCommerce store, offering your customers flexible payment solutions that can significantly boost conversion rates. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to plugins, then click on Add New in the search bar. Type Klarna Payments and hit Enter. Locate the official Klarna Payments plugin and click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. Now head over to WooCommerce, then Settings. From the tabs at the top, select Payments. You'll see a list of available payment gateways. Find Klarna Payments and click to configure its settings here. You'll need to enter your Klarna API credentials. You can obtain these by logging into your Klarna merchant portal. Ensure you've correctly entered your Live API key and shared secret from your Klarna merchant portal. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any integration issues. Next, enable the Klarna payment methods that you wish to offer your customers. Common options include Klarna Pay Later, Pay in Installments, and Direct Debit. Select the ones that best suit your business and target audience. To make sure everything is working, navigate to your storefront and add a product to your cart. Proceed to the checkout page. You should now see Klarna as a prominent payment option. Test a transaction using your Klarna credentials to confirm that the integration is successful and that customers can smoothly complete their purchases with Klarna's flexible payment plans. By adding Klarna to your WooCommerce store, you're not just offering more payment choices, you're providing a pathway to increased customer satisfaction and, ultimately, higher sales conversions. Start enjoying the benefits of Klarna today.